The Fun Department's Fun on Purpose workshop helps companies understand how fun can work for them and their unique culture while breaking down the laws of fun, identifying individual play personalities, and your overall shared experience. An award-winning proven methodology the Fun Department has used for years to achieve meaningful and sustainable results for their clients.
We had an internal fund department that I ran for 5 years. And then we hired someone who decided to give us a referral to the fund department. And it was the best thing that we ever did.
We all participated in a workshop where we were able to really identify how we define fun and how each of us exhibits fun in our own personal lives.
Their Fun with Purpose workshop was really helpful to us because it allowed our whole company to engage.
To book or learn more, visit thefundept.com. And cheers to more fun ahead.